done. That's enough, okay? That's enough. So this time we don't have change, but we have two winners. They will share, okay? How you will share, I don't know. Okay, so the first winner from junior and senior goes to she. You are the winner for the junior and she. So you have to share this. I'm really so sorry. Money is about to finish. So we have only 20 rupees less. We want two last winner. Okay?
Yes.
You and her. Okay? You decide. Okay? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, last song.
My last song, okay? Last song for you all.